Hey, I'm Janet Taylor, and I'm the K-12 content specialist for AOU and also a high school art teacher in the western suburbs of Chicago. I like to make several subtubs. One should be specifically dedicated to all of my rosters, current seating charts, any important student plans like behavioral charts or medical emergency notes, as well as any emergency protocols for my classroom like tornado or fire or things like that. I then make a tub that is for each media that I teach. For example, I might have one tub that's specifically dedicated towards ceramics. I might have one that's for Art 1, etc. Inside, I keep written one-day lessons, like maybe responding to an artwork or a bunch of sketchbook prompts. I also have lessons that could last maybe a few days, so maybe in case I'm out a little longer than one day. Those kinds of lessons make it so much more meaningful to my students. Inside each file folder, I like to have a laminated version so that I can always make multiple copies later. I also try to keep at least a class set sitting in there, and these are also really great for any early finishers.
Hi, art teachers. I'm Lindsay McGinnis, and I'm the Media Content Manager here at AOU. The Lead Switch in Coda has been teaching high school art in this classroom since 2002. This room was super tricky to make inviting and warm and welcoming and friendly and fun like his personality. His room had no windows, and it was very yellow and brown. Keep watching to see how he made over this room and gain a bunch of friendly DIYs that you can bring to your own classroom.
I just want to show you a couple of things. Okay, so in this bin, you can put all of your rosters, your seating charts, any important stuff that needs to go for your subs. We have a ton of resources in our Flex curriculum. We basically took resources, laminated them so you can make your copies for your class sets, labeled each one. So I pulled like a ton of sketchbook prompts, but then also like I pulled some lessons that your subs could follow or you could work with for a couple days. So if like you're gone for a couple days or you get them started and come back and finish it up with them. So you have a ton of resources here to look through.
Thank you, guys.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. So great. For more substitute resources and lessons, check out our landing page in the description box below. Make sure to check out also our Planning for Substitutes Pro Pack to get your subtub set up with all of these best resources.